Today, we will explore the evolution of media from traditional to new media. You will find out some technologies used throughout the history. You will be amused on how people communicate with each other without the use of cell phone or any social media account. And for today's topic, we will discuss the evolution of media from traditional to new media. We have the prehistoric age, industrial age, electronic age, the new or information age. So I have here a picture, so let's analyze this one. So as you can see, we have the caveman, which is the first person who has the first written word from movable type to mass publication, down to email, down to Twitter. So they tweet. So this is the evolution of communication. Okay, as media and information evolved throughout the history, it provides people with a better and faster access to information that is easier to adopt and to manipulate. So for today's topic, there are the different tools that we use in various eras in the history of communication. So in terms of pre-industrial age, where people discover fire, develop paper for plants, and forge weapons for tools with stone, bronze, copper, and iron. So example for that is the cave painting. We have the clay tablets, the papyrus, and other example for Maya region, and using the wood blocks and printing press that time. So in terms of industrial age, people use the power of steam, develop machine tool, establish iron tool production on manufacturing in terms of books and printing press. So this is the first printing press that time. So it uses Vortex. This device apply a pressure to an ink to surface the resting upon the print medium such as paper or cloth. So this is an example of a telegram. The motion picture, which also known for film or movie that time. So it's a series of still photos and film projected in a rapid succession of screen by means of light. So other example for that is the newspaper. You can see it nowadays. And also typewriter. So we have the telephone. We have the motion picture, commercial motion picture, and the punch card. So in terms of electronic age, this is the invention of transition, which is into an electronic age. So the people harness the power of transistor that time. So it is now the birth of our computer or our telephone that time. So these are the examples of electronic age. We have the radio, we have the first computer, and the mainframe computer. So the television, the telephone. So in terms of information age, this now we are living nowadays, which is the internet leads the way of faster communication and creation of social networks or social media. So here are the examples of new or information age, which is in terms of web browser. We have the Internet Explorer, the Mozilla Firefox, the Google Chrome. We have the blogs, social networks. We have the Friendster and the Facebook one. We have the microblogs, the Twitter, Tumblr. We have the video in terms of YouTube. We have the augmented reality and virtual reality. the video chats, Skype, Google Hangouts, okay, your messenger. So different search engine, which is the Google or the Yahoo. So in terms of portable computer, nowadays we have the laptop, PC or notebook or tablets, and especially smartphones. Okay. For the functions of communication and media, we have the 5 functions. Number 1 is the monitoring function. So this is to inform the citizen on what is happening around them. In terms of information function is we need to educate our audience on the meaning and the significance of that. In terms of opinion function is to provide a platform for public and political discourse or the freedom of expression. So in terms of watchdog role of journalism, this is to denounce the wrongdoing of our political or government agency in terms of public or private, to lead us to increase our accountability and to spread a positive change. So in terms of channel for advocacy of political viewpoints, so nowadays we use social media or different platforms to express or to have to educate all of our advocacy in terms of advocacy in education, advocacy in health or climate change, and to be able to have a very to be able to express our feelings or to be able to help our community. So we use this media. So these are really the functions of communication. We need to educate, we need to inform, we need to entertain, and we need to spread positive change. Okay. So for the last one, which is we need to compare what is traditional to new media. So traditional media, it is a media experience is limited only in terms of pwedeng din lang siya sa locality na yun, pwedeng yung news na yun dun lamang sa lugar na yun so on. Pero may mga times kasi na pwede siyang ma-expose pa sa iba't ibang lugar. So pwede yun. Pero when it comes to traditional media kasi, it is a one directional only. And different from new media, which is the new media has media experience is more interactive kasi may feedback na agad kapag may naman more on marami agad yung mag-comment and so on. So the audience are more involved and can send feedback simultaneously, sabi ko nga kanina, and then it integrate all the aspect of old media in terms of radio, television, and other forms of media. So that ends our topic for today, which is the evolution of media to traditional to new media. So I hope that you learned something for today's topic. Bye!